There's one person when I see, I get so excited. Why? Because she always walks in here with food. Food, Zilla, the Waakye queen. So she brought us some Waakye. A little later, we'll display it because we're trying to find the similarities between the Ghanaian food and the Jamaican food. We're zeroing into Waakye particularly. But it's good to have Donnaray also back in the studio. So she's been touring Ghana.
Yes.
A little earlier this year when she came, she told us that she started a project, the Blackstarrenaissance.
Yes.
Okay, Zilla, would you say that there's a lot of similarities between us and Jamaican? I mean, you look the part.
I know, right?
You look the part. But you tell me, what do you think?
Actually, there is, and I would be honest and say that I learned a lot of that from Reggie, because he would always talk about certain words that are similar, talk about foods that are similar, you know, and at the end of the day, we know that this is home. Africa is home for all of them.
Right.
So they would all invariably trace their roots back home to Africa, and of course, some would trace their roots back to Ghana. But it appears as though there's a direct link between Jamaica and Ghana.
Yes. So, Donna,
yes,
tell me that one outstanding meal. I'm quick to talk about food. Everybody who knows me know that I'm a foodie. I saw you freak out when somebody said a fruit was mango.
Yes.
What have you been discovering? Let's start with food.
All right, so the mango, for instance, we have different types of mango in Jamaica. Stringy, we have green gage, we have East Indian, we have Julie mango, and these are like our high class of mangoes. So when I come to Ghana, I'm like, okay, this mango look like it's stringy because it's very hairy. When you eat it, it comes off in your teeth.
Yeah.
So we call it stringy mango. But I realized that most of the mangoes here, there's just mango. I'm like, well, no, where's the name for the mangoes? So we call them different names, and you guys just call them mango.
Yeah, so
right?
It's true. We have Salomango.
Man.
All right. One is what?
John Belly Full.
Where's Reggie though?
Yeah, right. I know.
Okay. John,
yes.
what? Again?
John Belly Full means whenever you eat it, your belly will be full.
Okay.
Yeah, so we give meanings to different things in Jamaica. Our expressions, our dance, we have different dance styles. So everything we put a name to and create something out of it.
But does it taste the same?
No.
It doesn't.
The East Indian is a different quality from the Julie mango. And the green gage is a different quality, different texture, different sweetness from all the mangoes. I tell you.
So, in other words, the Jamaican mango is better than you're in Ghana, be careful. I know. So, moving away from fruits,
yeah.
I know that traveling Ghana, you probably went to the very typical, very traditional and very Ghanaian parts of Ghana.
Yes.
I'd say.
Yes. Comparing
what you saw, I saw you drive some Banku and all of that. Comparing where you visited the very typical places, do we have such places in Jamaica?
Of course.
I'm asking this because when you show Jamaica in movies, we only see the nice beaches.
Yeah, I know, right?
You see the pretty girls. Yes. So what did you find? The typicalness, the very typicalness.
All right, of course. So in Ghana, you have the villages. In Jamaica, we call it the country. In the village in Ghana, it's the same thing. In the far countries, we carry water on our heads. We go to the farm. We call it the grung. You call it farming, but we call it the grung. We go to the grung, the farm, and it's the same thing. It's a grassroots lifestyle. Everything is natural, mostly naturally based. Greens, rivers, trees, and lots of farming, and it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Apart from you sounding very Jamaican, what's that one thing I would see on somebody who just came back from Jamaica without locks?
Without locks?
Yes.
You would see
that outstanding thing I would see?
Well, Jamaicans, they like fashion. If you can really, if you see them in clothes, they love clothes. But what defines the Jamaican is their attitude. Yeah, it's the attitude. It's where we stand, the way we look. The way we speak, the language, but it's also in the attitude. That is the most defining character of a Jamaican. It's really the attitude.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're talking about Blackstarrenaissance, and we're zeroing in on the similarities between the food you can find here in Ghana. And we went straight to the rock Waakye. We went to Zilla, the Waakye queen. And then we brought Donnaray as well. She's brought something I haven't seen before, but pretty smells good. And Reggie, welcome.
Thank you.
I like to take your word away from these women.
Right.
What's that one outstanding thing I'll find in Jamaica and also in Ghana, apart from your logs?
Pretty much everything. But Jamaicans have a level of patriotism that's unrivaled.
Okay.
Jamaicans are so proud of Jamaica. We speak Jamaican.
Right.
Half of your country is speaking patois. In fact, some of your biggest stars on patois. And so the coalition between Jamaica and Ghana is really stronger than we know. You know, and when I grew up with a lot of Jamaicans from New York, UK, and there was always a division between the conscious Jamaican and the roadman, yardman, badman.
Right.
But today, everything has gone full circle. Because you listen to the music, Afro beats, you listen to dance hall. You know, it's a beautiful crossover.
Yeah.
Donna feels like she's winning already.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
Donna,
man.
so typically, what is this called in Jamaica?
All right, so this is just a simple rice and peas with some curry chicken and some lettuce on the side. But rice and peas, as you know, the difference, what I've experienced with the Ghana Waakye, especially the rice and peas, we have a lot more spices in our rice and peas.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm not sure what all the ingredients are.
Zilla will take us through.
The rice and peas?
Well, Zilla is not about to share her secret recipe though, but...
Of course not.
Okay, but typically...
But typically, the main ingredient in the rice and peas is the coconut milk.
Yes, the coconut milk.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that's the main ingredient. And of course, other spices, but yes.
And since we're here, I'd like to ask you, on the behalf of Jamaica,
Yeah.
why you call it rice and peas when it's beans?
See, it's the thing.
Nobody ever thought about it.
in the Caribbean.
Reggie just said peas, no,
No, kidney beans.
We call
Yes.
it rice and peas. It's just
But they still call it rice and peas.
Yeah, rice
Okay, why
and peas. Yeah.
So if I went to Jamaica today, what's the name I'll call this?
Rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
Rice
Please
and
send me
peas.
with some
Rice and peas. Yeah, they
Yeah.
go ask you curry chicken, rice and peas, or white rice. I want rice and peas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Waakye is very unique, you know.
You might.
It's very similar because it's rice and peas, but we cook it differently. So she said the main ingredient is coconut milk. We do not use coconut milk.
Right.
So we concentrate on the color. So we use the sorghum leaves to give the color. Then so I'm not sure how they do the beans and then the rice, but for us it's almost an equal proportion of beans to rice, as opposed to this where you have this of peas or beans within the rice.
Exactly.
So that is the main difference. But as you can see, come along.
Come along. Watch. So, Reggie, if it is a rice and peas, you know.
Yeah, I did that one first and I...
But Reggie, if it taste it, because you might watch a king.
Are you cooking?
Are we using
Yeah,
the
man,
hand
I mean, cook it,
or
man.
are we-
Sorry.
So I see curry. I see vegetable, which I
Yeah.
can see. That's a similarity in here. I see the lettuce. I see lettuce here as well. I see the avocado. Zilla just told me this. I thought it's called pear, but this is avocado. I see avocado there as well. Fried plantain, I don't see. We're not looking for the waakye itself.
That's fried plantain,
This is
right?
fried plantain here.
Yeah.
I can't see the waakye yet, but
No,
it's
the
all the
waakye
way
is
down.
under. I know.
So when you're born,
Baba Buna Bunju.
absolutely.
For dignifying
we
it.
can see
Okay,
our
now we
visual.
can see the version. This is the difference. I can tell straight away by the color.
Yes.
Okay.
So they use the, what do you call it, to make the color?
Tastes.
That's the leaves that gives you the color, right?
Yeah.
The sorghum leaves.
So we don't
call
use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
The peas just give us our color. That's it. There's no other additional.
Gotta hit the curry there.
That'll be what you.
That be what you, what do you mean?
Okay.
Bougie white.
Zilla,
A bougie?
Zilla, I must say that your waakye really tastes really different from the one, the common one in Ghana. There's coconut here.
Yeah.
I taste and smell something coconut.
Oh, of course, yes, the signature.
There's a
Yes.
signature in there. Okay.
Our secret
Okay.
that we don't share
Okay.
very openly.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, please. Okay.
that's that old school taste.
Okay.
Yeah, the old school taste is very important.
Original.
To the grassroots, so the identity. Yeah.
See, over the years, the shito has become dadabi.
Dadabi.
Dadabi is bougie.
Bougie. Oh.
You know, soft.
I
You
see.
feel it? So this has the original flavor from back in the day
That we grew up
that
on.
we grew up
Oh,
with.
I see.
Like hood.
Oh.
If you eat this, it brings you nostalgic moments.
Thank you.
Oh. That's why we're like,
Yes,
Exactly.
yes. But share with me music, culture, I mean, apart from food, moving away from food.
Yeah.
Sort of things we can share. The beaches.
yeah, I mean, like the thing about Jamaica, is very high in tourism. Tourism is what we eat and breed off of. So everything about tourism for us that's the reason why we always keen in on our products, our brands, you know, our food, our beaches, the lifestyle, the people, our friendliness. When you come to Jamaica, we take you all of the places, you know. So it's just so much different identity and fabrics of the culture that we can embark on with, harmonizing that with the Ghanaian one with ours and blend them. So when we blend them, we find a unique, a different nostalgic, a different higher level of the taste and the fashion and the style. Look on Zella, what she look at the Rasta.
Okay, how about we move faster? Let's move faster. Where are we headed with the Blackstarrenaissance?
So where we going? We're going to the Black Star Jams and Exhibitions, and those are like small, all-inclusive events, tailor-made events that we're looking to use to harmonize again and exhibit our culture through the fashion, the artwork, and of course the music. With the different artists from Ghana and Jamaica. So these are the jams that's going to be happening middle of November to December. We have 7 themes, events in different styling, different premier venues across Ghana. So look out for the Black Star Jams and Exhibition. Don't know how the legend is going to be on there.
See it there?
Don't know. Yeah, and a lot more.
Okay. So this is what you were doing in my absence. How can you all do this without me?
This is really good.
No, MFR, we're no longer friends. You've been doing this without me, and I feel scandalized.
I just move faster.
But Reggie, what's up? You've been really a lot of.
I know, you've been eating.
Please share how we
Reggie is
can get
eating it
the
all up, so I have to sample part of this.
I was hungry before I got here.
Whilst they are sampling, let me share the numbers so you can also enjoy the goodness.
I think I should just. I've had it. I love the spicy bit. I think we should get more, right? Of both, actually.
Yeah,
We're supporting
Yeah, man, just call me when you
the
want.
Waakye industry. Where they going to be? Where they going to be?
This is good. I'm sure that you've learned a thing or two, especially the similarities between our meals here and in Jamaica. It was nice having you.
Thank you.
Donna. Always a pleasure having you.
Yeah, thank you.
Always.
Reggie just took that thing from in front of me.
The line is good.
You know what? Me love you so much.
You know I never lie.
Hey.
Yeah, man.
You like
Big
the
up.
food, you like the
We
Waakye.
love the
We say
food.
thank you to Donna, to Reggie, to Zilla, all of you for making all the wonderful Waakye. We're going to eat all of
Next
that
time
for
you come
y'all.
to come to your house and
Listen.
Sunday to come
Okay,
cook
now that's
something,
what we're doing.
right? Okay,
Thank you. My name is Amefa Kosia. This is always a pleasure. And check out the Move Faster video, okay? It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Zilla, thank you so much.
Thank
You're
you
so kind with the
too.
food.
Thank you.
Donna,
Yeah, man.
take care. You staying in
Respect.
Ghana for some time?
Yeah, I'm moving on now.
Yeah, man.
Reggie
Reggie is feeding Zilla. I think you owe me some Waakye.
Why on God's plentiful green earth?
Why you not eating the Waakye? You should come in here.
I'm out of here.